Hello! Welcome to the Bly English course online. Everything is possible online. It's lots of fun. We can change our voices. We can have special guests. We can travel in time. We can travel round the world. So lots of fun. For the English course, we can do reading, writing, listening exercises. Speaking, you speaking is difficult. So when I ask questions, try to answer the questions out loud. Answer the questions out loud, à haute voix, out loud, and that will help. And when you have a listening exercise, an audio exercise, you can repeat the dialogues out loud, and this can help. Now, for this lesson, you need, like normal, comme d'habitude, you need the student's book, and for homework, the workbook for homework. Okay, so, and remember, when I ask a question, try to answer out loud. You can stop the video at any time, n'importe quel moment, at any time. You can stop the video and repeat or watch again. So, okay. There is a document. There is a document to download. Donc il y a un document à télécharger from the website, depuis le site web, and you can click on the link under, just en dessous, under the video to have the vocabulary for this lesson. Okay, the homework is in the workbook, like normal, and the answers, les réponses pour le devoir, the answers for the homework are, at the back. Aussi, vous avez la version photocopiée, c'est dans la partie workbook, c'est juste à la fin aussi. Okay, now, oh yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. My email address is, it's danjbrown78@gmail.com. Donc danjbrown78@gmail.com. Okay? Now, the first word today, is quarantine. So, quarantaine, it's quarantine, yeah. It's the French word, but with the English pronunciation. I hope everyone is okay, and in particular that you have enough toilet paper for the next, couple of weeks. Now, excuse me 1 minute. That's better. Now, the last lesson seems a long time ago. Do you remember some of the vocabulary? Do you remember some vocabulary from last time? Now, remember, when I ask you a question, try to answer out loud, okay? And you can stop the video if you want. So, what is the question in French? What is the question? What does something mean? What does something mean? That's right, yeah. Que veut dire quelque chose? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? What does it mean? What does it mean? So, what does a flat mean? A flat. Yeah, un appartement. Okay. What does the location mean? Yeah, la localisation of the flat. The location of the flat is in the town centre, for example. What does to rent mean? Yeah, louer, louer. What is the floor of a flat? The floor of a flat. Yeah, c'est l'étage, rez-de-chaussée, etc. It's the floor, the floor. You have the ground floor, yeah, the first floor, the second floor, etc. What does a chemist's mean? A chemist's. It's a shop, a chemist's. Yeah, it's une pharmacie. Very good. What is a newsagent's? What does newsagent's mean? Yeah, c'est le marchand de journaux. Okay. The S, apostrophe S, the S in newsagents, ça fonctionne comme chez in French. Okay, the newsagent's shop, the chemist's shop, etc. Now, how do you say il y a in English? Il y a. Yeah, there is, singular, or there are, plural. So there is or there are. There's, with the contraction, or there. So there's or there. Now, the question, y a-t-il? How can you say y a-t-il in English? So there is, il y a, so is there, okay? Or y a-t-il encore? So there are, le réel, there are, so there are there, Okay, what about the negative? How do you say il n'y a pas? So there is, positive, there isn't, okay? Or there are, there aren't. Okay, now we can imagine a fantastic conversation about a flat. I want to rent a flat. Je veux louer un appartement. I want to rent a flat. We can imagine a conversation about a flat. I want to rent a flat. Je veux louer un appartement. I want to rent a flat. So I have some answers. Now, what are the questions? What are the questions? So, the answer, the flat is in Church Street. The flat is in Church Street. So what is the question? The question is, where is the flat? So where is the flat? The flat is in Church Street. Or the answer, it's on the ground floor. On the ground floor. What is the question? Yeah, the question is, what floor is it on? What floor is the flat on? We like the preposition at the end. What floor is the flat on? The flat is on the ground floor. Okay, so the answer, next one. The answer, there are 2 bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms. What is the question? Yeah, the question is, how many bedrooms are there? Yeah, how many bedrooms are there? There are 2 bedrooms. Or the answer, it's in the country in a little village. The flat is in the country, in a little village. So what is the question? Yeah. So the question is, where is it? Where is the flat? It's in the country, in a little village. Well, the next answer, so yes, there's a shop near the flat. Near. There's a shop near the flat. So what is the question? So the question is there a shop near the flat? Yes, there's a shop near the flat. Okay, now take the student book. Take the student book and turn, or in the photocopy, and turn to page 149.